In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of converting your NotebookLM notes and chat insights into a PDF document. First, I'll open my specific notebook, which in this case is my strategic guide for AI research. As I scroll through my previous chat interactions, I'll select the specific responses I want to include in my document by clicking Save to Note. Each time I click this, you'll notice a new note being created instantly in the Studio panel on the right side of the screen. I'll do this for a few more key points to make sure I have all the detailed information I need for my report. Now, to bring all of these individual notes together, I'll click the three dots in the Studio section and choose the option to convert all notes to source. This quickly bundles everything into a single organized source file, which you can see appearing on the left. I'll click on that new source to review the content. Then I'll highlight and copy the entire text. Next, I'll switch over to a blank Google Doc and paste everything right in. To finalize the process and create my portable file, I simply go to the File menu, select Download, and then choose PDF Document. Just like that, my NotebookLM research is transformed into a clean, professional PDF that is ready to be shared. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.